hard to believe that a little company that started in a warehouse is now going public for with the largest IPO that ever.
SpaceX rose nearly 20% in its NASDAQ debut on Friday, lifting its valuation to about $1.96 trillion as investors piled into the world's largest IPO and bought into Elon Musk's sprawling empire spanning rockets, satellite communications, and AI to Wall Street. The stock opened for trading at $150, compared with the IPO price of $135 per share. The deal was being closely scrutinized because of the stakes for the IPO market, which some bankers said could face difficulties if SpaceX shares close below Thursday's pricing level. With SpaceX widely viewed as a dress rehearsal for a new generation of mega listings, market participants will also be watching for signals on investor appetite ahead of forthcoming IPOs for AI heavyweights Anthropic and OpenAI. The stock's performance will also be a test for the so-called Musk premium, which has been the force behind Tesla's $1 trillion plus valuation, despite coming under pressure during Musk's active role in President Donald Trump's administration. The landmark listing cemented Musk's status as the first trillionaire ever and propelled SpaceX into the ranks of the world's most valuable companies. Even though the firm posted a loss of nearly $5 billion last year and generated only a fraction of the revenue brought in by similarly valued tech giants. "I gave SpaceX a 10% chance of succeeding at all," Musk said in Texas, shortly before the opening bell. SpaceX President Gwynne Shotwell and Chief Financial Officer Brett Johnson rang the NASDAQ opening bell at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time.
Well, thank you, Gwynne. Gwynne Shotwell's been an incredible partner. And was one of the first people to join the company. And thank you, Gwen. Oh, she's in New York, of course. Where is she? Yeah, it is certainly hard to believe that a little company that started in a warehouse in El Segundo is now going public for with the largest IPO that ever. And let me tell you, if people had told me this was going to happen, I was like, man, you must be smoking some really good crack, because I think this company's going to fail. I mean, I gave SpaceX less than a 10% chance of succeeding at all, to be clear. In fact, I told people this. I said, look, we're probably going to fail, but we should give it a try, because if we don't, if there's not a new company that enters space, we will never be a truly spacefaring civilization. The other aerospace companies, they build good rockets and everything. They were simply not pursuing the technology that's necessary to make life multiplanetary, to make Star Trek, to make the exciting science futures that we've read about real. And that's what SpaceX is all about, is to take the fiction out of science fiction and create an exciting, inspiring future for everyone.